Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am glad to have this opportunity to present about presentation of argument. Let's get started. Next, to definition. A presentation is the process of introducing, referring, and conveying something into the form of the discussion or forum. An argument is the process of processing and defending an opinion or calculation, using valid in the face of reasoning with strong justification.
Structure: introduction, claim or thesis, presentation of the main claim or thesis, explanation of the presenter position, and clarification of the background and significance of the issue being addressed. Next is argument content, reason and evidence. Presentation of the main point one by one, with each point supported by logical reasoning and relevant evidence such as data, fact, and expert quotation.
Number 3. Counter-argument. Representation of the counter-argument, followed by the presenter's rebuttal using additional reasoning and evidence. Number 4. Conclusion. Summary of the main points and a restatement of the presenter's claim.
Comment mistake. For generalization, drawing board can question from a limited sample. Follows the economy presenting a situation as if there are only two extremes. So is when there are other alternative. Overline some emotion are going be solely on sentiment or fear without support from logic or data and so on. Example, a student argues that universities should implement on single use plastic die. Introduction. Assalamualaikum. Good morning. My name is Arif Sarifuddin. Today I would like to present that our campus should ban the use of single plastic in order to protect the environment and faster environmentally friendly habits among students.
Example number 2 is argument content, reasons and evidence. First, single-use plastics contribute significantly to environmental pollution. Data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, KLHK, in 2023 shows that 60% of plastic waste in urban areas comes from single-use bags and bottles. Second, similar policies have been successfully implemented at other universities. For example, University A reported a 40% reduction in plastic waste after 6 months of banning single-use plastics and providing refillable water dispensers. With this evidence, we can see that this policy is not only realistic but also effective. Example number 3 is counter-argument. Some might argue that a plastic ban would be inconvenient, especially for students who buy food outside the campus. However, the university can collaborate with cafeterias and cooperatives to provide reusable food containers or implement a deposit system, as successfully done at University B. This means the solution is already available, it's just a matter of our willingness to implement it.
Example for conclusion. So, with the urgent and fundamental reason, the success of other university and the availability of practical solution, I believe it is time for our campus to take real action, banning single-use plastic. Let's start with our immediate environment to create a bigger change. Conclusion: an argumentative presentation is the delivery of an argument to an audience with the goal of convincing listener of a particular opinion or conclusion. In the presentation, this is supported by valid evidence or reasoning and strong justification.
Maybe that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.